Good morning, students. Today we are going to start a new poem. The name of the poem is The Quarrel. This poem has been written by Eleanor Farjeon. In this poem, we will learn about the quarrel between the siblings. Now, in this poem, the poet talks about the love hidden behind the quarreling of the siblings. Generally, the siblings fight with each other, but they can't live without each other. They are dependent on each other for their needs and for their rejoice. In this poem, the poet speaks about the quarrel between a boy and his brother. Let us see. It is common for a boy and a sister. It is common for brother and sister to quarrel, although sometimes they may not even be able to say why they quarrel. But how long do such quarrels last? How do they end? So in this poem, the poet is telling that it is common for brother and sister to have quarrel between them, but if you will ask them that what was the reason behind the quarrel, they may not be able to answer the question that why the quarrel took place and how long it happened and how the quarrel ended. Let us see. Now, I quarreled with my brother. I don't know what about. One thing led to another, and somehow we felt out. The start of it was slight, the end of it was strong. He said he was right. I knew he was wrong. So, in this line, the poet quarreled with his brother on some very petty matter, a very small matter. It was so petty that now he does not remember what it was. The reason of quarrel was so petty, or you can say so nebulous, or that he does not remember what it was. One thing led to another. What was the reason of quarrel? So both of them felt that they were right at their pace. It had started as something small. The poet is saying further that the quarrel took place on very small reason, and it became big in the end. So they began to hate each other, and they started hating each other. And now the poet is saying that he was right, and and his brother was saying he was wrong. Now let's see what happens next. We hated one another. The afternoon turned back. Then suddenly my brother thumped me on the back. And said, "Oh, come along. We can't go on all night." I was in the wrong, so he was in the right. So then suddenly the afternoon became very tense and unpleasant for both of them. It was very tough to spend time alone. So the poet brothers patted him on the back. He said that we two could not live alone for a long time, and it would be difficult to pass the night in such a manner. So he accepted that it was his mistake. Just then the poet felt that his brother was right. In fact, he himself was wrong. So no one was sure about that who was wrong and who was right, and they also don't know the reason of the quarrel, and they loved each other and they can't live alone. So this is a beautiful poem about a brother and sister quarrel, how they quarrel with each other. They don't know even the reason of the quarrel. If you will ask them what was the reason, they will not be able to tell you that what was the reason behind the quarrel. And At the same time, they love each other and they can't spend a moment alone. And at the last, when his the poet is saying that at last, when his brother patted at his back and said that it was his mistake, the, the poet also realized that she also did mistake, and again they became friend and they again started living happily. So this is a beautiful poem, you can go through it. It is basically a not a serious issue. You can say that it is a common quarrel between brother and sister. So if you have any doubt, go through it and comment us on Google Classroom. Thank you and have a good day.